So as promised, here's how I dose my aquarium. I use the API Marine Reef Master Test Kit. I use a syringe that, this is technically a turkey syringe I picked up at the Dollar Tree for $1. And obviously I'm not using the needle on it, but it's also handy because it has milliliters already measured out on here. So I use that to get water out of my tank, and I just use the feed access hole, and then I fill up my test tubes to the line, which is 5 millimeters. The API test kit has a few things you're not really going to need because they're worthless. The phosphate test in this does not accurately measure phosphate. And then it has a pH test, but you really need the high range pH. So I bought it separately. And so the first things that I like to test is my pH. I give all of them a little shake. So the high range pH gets 5 drops. And today it is a very nice 8.2. Not sure if you can tell in this video. Then I write that down. Okay, then I go for my KH. So KH is measured by the number of drops that you put in. I know nowadays that mine is always above 5, so I start with 5. 4, 5. And then you give it a nice shake. Still blue. And then after that I go one at a time. Then you give it a shake. What you're looking for is for it to turn bright yellow. 7. 8, 9. So mine's pretty much at a 9. Probably a 9.5-ish because it's not super bright yellow. It still has a tint of green. But 9, you know, 9's okay. It's not really where I want it to be. But also for once, it's pretty much staying steady at 9 and above 8.0 on the pH. So I am kind of okay with that. I'm going to dose it simply because I am leaving for the night in maybe 2 days. And I know if I dose it, then by the time I come back home, it'll still be okay. Then I do calcium. Calcium is 2. For test bottle 1, you don't really have to shake it, but I do a little. And it's add 10 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you do want to shake this for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then bottle number 2, you also want to shake for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it also, so this one is also by number. It's not exact, so on the KH by drop, that actually measures your DKH. So if I got 9 drops, that actually equals 9 DKH. On the calcium, there's a little bit of a code. I know that there's going to take at least 10 drops to get to my calcium, so I start with 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is going to turn it pink. What you're looking for is for it to turn a deep blue-violet. So pink. Not sure if you can see that with the light behind it, but so then I go 2 at a time. In the booklet it says that if it's not quite bright, deep purple, usually takes 2 more drops to get there. So I just do this by 2s. I also know that it's going to take me at least 15 because it's been taking 20 every day. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. And it should be magenta at this point. Yes, very pink. So now I'm going to go in twos. 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 is purple. I'm going to say that's probably right. I'm going to do one more just to see if it gets ultra blue, because if it doesn't, then I know that I'm at 19. So yeah, it was already this blue at 19. And in your API Reef Master Test Kit, on the last page, it gives you a conversion chart. And so 19 means I'm at 380. So I definitely want to dose today, which is good because I can show you how to do that. My nitrates I know are 0, and it takes 5 minutes to test that, so I'll probably do that in another video. But yeah, up next is going to be the actual dosing video.